Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. In this episode I'm going to show you the most trending topic at the moment. It's the quiet luxury, stealth wealth, old money look hairstyle. So let's dive into it. It's a hairstyle that I actually never thought that I could rock, or at least it was because I didn't know how to style it. If you want to see how to do it, just stay tuned here on the channel and I will walk you through step by step. Before the hairstyling, I always use a high quality shampoo and conditioner. It's the best way to make sure that your hair will absolutely stay in the place you want it to go. That's a shower. Woo. Now I'm using my tools. First I'm combing my hair backwards. And then I'm finding the product that I like to use, and here I have the sea salt from Lane. Shake it up, and this one is on a pump dispense system. 5-6 pumps. These old money styles, less is more, so make it look seamless and effortless. Now the product is evenly distributed and I will section my hair. So the way I do it is I like the hair to go flat down and backwards. So I'll just go bring the hair to the sides, take this mid part and comb it backwards. And this will create a flow in the hairstyle, so you'll not have a nerdy kind of look. I have a little cheat code here. It's Velcro, of course with the logos. Use them like this, so I can have a fast and efficient blow dry. What I did here, I was taking out some of my wavy texture by blow drying with heat. This one pre-styling spray goes to 300 degrees, so my hair will not burn or anything. Also there's a styling agent in it, so I'm able to form it. Just like you saw here, I was combing my hair straight down the sides. Then I'm gripping the hair and just lifting it up, make a bend, and I get more volume. So it will not fall flat like a dorky hairstyle or anything. I want my hair to look full texture, a little bit of volume and control. So let's take a look at the mid part here, blow dried backwards. I'm doing the parting line. Even if I'm combing it to the sides, it will try to find its way backwards like I dried it. So I get this natural flow backwards, but here in the front, I get it to fall just perfectly, and I can actually sculpt it as I want to. This blow dry, I took out some of the curls and I refined the look, but it's not done yet. I have the Revolution wax. A little goes a long way, and I really mean it. It has a medium shine to it and strong hold. Let's see what we can do. This much. I think we are going in with 1 or 2 grams here, 1.5 grams of wax. Just put it into your palms and put it all over your hair just by clapping it. And slowly increasing the pressure where you want more wax to go in. And I want only a small amount of wax going into the bangs, because that's the first impression. And it can't be too overpowering. I really like the hairstyle this way. We get kind of the mid part and a small curtain going on. 90s Backstreet Boys kind of look. I could easily rock a little bit of curtains. It looks super cool. When you have a mid parting going on, it's very easy to fall into the imagination that you have to have it completely symmetrical, and that's almost impossible. It's all about having the structure, getting the form of the hairstyle, and then it's okay, your hair will work a little bit different in each sides. unless you have two perfect swirls in the bangs. If you're not combing your hair and blow drying it in a pre-styler, your hair will take too much form of its natural state. By using quality products, you get both heat protection, you also get this light styling agent that will sit around your hair strands. So it will actually prime your hair for the hair wax to get this type of two-component styling hold, which is super unique and makes your hair hold up for 24 hours, sometimes 2 to 3 days, depending on how much weather and wind you're going into. And I can actually mess my hair up and put it back into place like in 10 seconds. I'll show you. Huge advancement to use products.